What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Alxr, and in today's video I'm bringing you a brand new sneaker restoration tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove scuffs on Air Jordans or just any shoes in general, to be honest. You can see I've got the Jordan 5 metallic silvers here. I've got this nasty scuff on the midsole, and I've also scuffed them up really badly. For some reason the other day I thought it would be a good idea to play basketball in them, and it really wasn't because I've got pretty scuffed up. Before I get into the tutorial I'm going to show you a quick close-up look of the shoes. Getting into the equipment then, there's 4 different things you'll need. You'll need nail polish remover or acetone, cotton pads, Angelus Direct leather paint because the soles are white, we're going to be using the white colour, and then you'll also need a paintbrush. Now let's get into it. So for the first step, before we can start painting the shoes, we're going to need to remove the factory finish, and to do so we're going to use a cotton pad and nail polish remover. We're not going to be using this to take off the first layer of paint or anything. This is only to get rid of the factory finish. So very lightly we're going to put some nail polish remover onto a cotton pad and very gently wipe it over the top of the shoes. Not too hard, but just enough to get rid of that factory finish so the paint can adhere to the leather better. Okay, so we're not going to need to use the paint right away. We're just going to take a cotton pad out. Then using the nail polish remover, we're just going to put a small amount onto the cotton pad, not too much. And then just very gently wipe it over where the scuff is. You don't want to go over the whole sole or the whole top part of the leather part. Just over that little scuff, or however big the scuff is. Just don't go everywhere all over the sole. So very gently rubbing it on the scuff. That should do just enough to get the factory finish off. You can see it got rid of the dirt, but that scuff mark is still there. And then also on the top leather part here as well. Great, so now the shoes are prepped and ready to be restored. Put a little bit of paint on and then very lightly go over and do the first layer of paint where the scuff is. This is the first layer of paint, so it doesn't need to be too thick. So as the first layer of paint is drying on the sole, I'm going to go ahead and work on that top part. Okay, so now I've done the first layer on the top part of the shoe and also on the sole. I'm just going to keep going backwards and forth until they're both cleaned up, looking done, and all the layers are finished and dried. And this is what they look like completely finished. You can see that that scuff on the midsole has now completely gone, and the scuff on the top part of the leather has now gone as well. I'm going to get into showing you a quick before and after look, but before I go, if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also, turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. If you did like this video, if you did find it helpful, smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Alxr. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.
Headed to another league. This will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci. Mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level. So see if I can new drip. Check like it's Nike. May I just do it.